Hey guys, my name is Alex Chacon. I'm currently outside Las Vegas, Nevada at the 7 Magic Mountains. The 7 Magic Mountains are located 10 miles south of Las Vegas, Nevada. Most people visit Sin City for casinos and crazy nightclubs, but situated right in the middle between the natural mountains and the artificial City of Lights is this unique art installation. Your travel tip for this place is get here for sunset or sunrise for the best pictures. I would recommend sunrise because there's less people. Built as a public art exhibit by Swiss artist Ugo Rodinone, the 30-foot fluorescent totems stand like brightly colored beacons lighting up the desert sky. Rodinone used locally sourced boulders and chose this location because it's physically and symbolically midway between the natural and the artificial. It's incredibly popular, so best time to visit is early in the morning before hordes of tourists, wedding parties, and TikTokers show up to crowd the area. This temporary art installation was originally only supposed to be open for 2 years, but due to its popularity, the land permits have been secured and extended till 2021. Be sure to trek your way to the desert to this unique work of art before it's too late. Outside Las Vegas, Nevada at the 7. One more. That's good.